I, Adolf Hitler, the dictator of Germany, hereby declare the World War II. Hey Germany! Hey Germany! Second World War has been declared. Again, Japanese troops are approaching the borders. It is really crucial condition for the Indians. Indians, we need your help. We want you to fight in the Second World War with the Britishers. If you do so, we will give you freedom. We don't want to fight in the World War II. We need complete freedom. We are not fighting in the Second World War. Instead, we fight against you to get our freedom. Azadi, 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 Azadi. On 8th August 1942, Indian National Congress Committee was organized in Mumbai. Then, how shall we fight against those Britishers? With a movement. With a movement? Which movement? Quit India movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. What is Quit India movement? It is all about getting our freedom from those British and sending them away from India. Yes. Britishers are so cruel. They are forcing our people to fight in the war and also declared our Indian National Congress as illegal. We need to fight for our freedom. We will make this movement to happen in all the important states of India. Yes, it's the time to take the serious action and to teach a lesson to the Britishers. Yes, now or never. The time has come for every Indian to lay down our lives for the sake of freedom. Karenge ya marenge, do or die. The immediate outcome was the arrest of the main leaders. You are arrested. Please cooperate with us. I just saw Gandhiji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jinnah, Jawaharlal Nehru were arrested. Oh, is it? Let's protest for our leaders and bring them back at any cost. We can attack on the British railway track. We can disconnect the mail and telegraph to teach them a lesson. Even we can attack on police station to release our leaders. Yes, these Britishers have gone too far. Now it's time to take the revenge. More than 1 lakh people were arrested. The arrest of the leaders left the movement in the hands of the younger leaders like Aruna Asaf Ali, Jayaprakash Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia and so on. Active participation of women was one of the important aspects of this movement. Usha Mehta helped to set up an underground radio station. Aruna Asaf Ali, popularly known as the Grand Old Lady, hoisted the Indian national flag at the Gowaliya Tank Maidan, Bombay. Many students left the school and joined the movement. Even adults quit their jobs and actively participated in the Quit India movement. We boycott medals, titles and rewards given by the British government. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. We refuse to use foreign products. We prepare our own products. Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. Angrezo, Bharat Chodo. You bloody Indians, we charge you. Various violent incidents took place around the country against the British. They arrested tens of thousands of leaders, keeping them imprisoned. When the World War II almost came to an end in 1945, the Labour Party of the United Kingdom won election with a promise to provide independence to India. So the Quit India movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan ended in 1945. This was the last freedom struggle fought in India. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India got its independence.
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे।